Hey my loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you all are doing great. Now in one of my videos I shared with you all 4 important skincare routines that we all should have when it comes to achieving a brighter, a radiant, a glowing, a healthy looking skin. And one of those skincare routines was brightening slash treatment skincare routine, and that is the type of skincare routine that you incorporate or that you use when it comes to fading discoloration, when it comes to brightening the skin, and also when it comes to evening out the skin complexion. And also in that video I said that I was going to film separate videos each for every of those 4 important skincare routines. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you effective skincare routine and products that you can make use of when it comes to brightening your skin and targeting dark spots, discoloration on your skin. Now, the first step in our skincare routine is going to be cleansing of the skin. Yes, now in this step, you can actually make use of a cleanser that does not necessarily brighten the skin, and then you can make use of a cleanser that will really help you to brighten your skin. Now, the reason why I'm actually saying a face cleanser that does not necessarily brighten the skin is that when you buy cleansers that doesn't really brighten the skin, like it doesn't contain all this vitamin C, it doesn't contain all these ingredients that are focused on brightening up the skin, those type of cleansers you can easily bring them in for your other 4 skincare routine. Now the only thing I will chip in when it comes to cleanser is that you should try as much as possible to buy cleansers that are not harsh on the skin, because when you buy all these harsh cleansers, they have the ability to irritate your skin. Like when you're using harsh cleansers on a daily basis, they are going to irritate your skin, and when your skin is irritated, it can actually lead to dull looking skin, and we don't want that. So whether you're buying a brightening cleanser or you're buying a cleanser that is just there that will not necessarily brighten your skin, just make sure that you're not buying a harsh cleanser. The one I'm going to be recommending is the ones that does not necessarily brighten your skin. They are just gentle cleansers that will really help you to cleanse your skin and like protect your skin. They're not harsh on the skin. So I just wanted you to make use of a good cleanser that you can use for every of these 4 skincare routines. Now one of the cleansers I'll be recommending is the Face Fact Ceramide Hydrating Gentle Cleanser. Yes, Face Fact is a very nice brand that actually formulates a lot of gentle skincare products that will not be harsh on your skin. So this cleanser contains 5 ceramides in it. It contains hyaluronic acid in it, and it also contains oats in it. It is mostly preferable for people that has normal to dry skin. Now another cleanser from the Face Fact brand, don't worry, I didn't forget the people with oily skin. You can actually make use of the Face Fact Ceramide Foaming Cleanser. This one also contains 5 ceramides in it, just like the hydrating cleanser I mentioned. Why this one contains niacinamide, the other one I mentioned does not contain niacinamide, but this ceramide foaming cleanser contains niacinamide in it, and it also contains hyaluronic acid in it. Okay, so these are 2 good cleansers that you can make use of. Now moving on to the next step in our skincare routine is going to be toners slash essence. Yes, now when it comes to achieving that glowy looking skin, that radiant looking skin, like toners and essence, or toner slash essence, are one of the key products that you should make use of. The reason why is because they give our skin added boost of hydration. Like they are mostly focused on hydrating the skin. That's the reason why I am including this. So if you want to have that hydrated looking skin, like you want your skin to be looking hydrated, you want that glowy, that dewy looking skin, then make use of toners and essence are very like they are necessary, because they will help you give your skin that added boost of hydration. And yes, they are very good brightening toners you can make use of. Yes, they are toners that you can make use of that will not only help you to hydrate your skin, okay, but they will also help you to brighten your skin. Now, because this skincare routine is mostly focused on skin brightening, product that you will use to help you brighten up your skin and glow your skin. That is the reason why I will be giving you a hydrating toner and also a brightening toner. So a very good brightening toner you can make use of is the Acwell Licorice pH balancing toner. This is a very popular toner, and this is a nice, like, it is actually a nice brightening face toner that you can make use of. This toner contains licorice roots in it. It contains 10% of licorice roots in it. It also contains green tea in it. Now, green tea are antioxidants, okay, and antioxidants are very beneficial to the skin. Antioxidants will help you to fight against free radicals on your skin, and you know that free radicals or sunlight exposure is one of the causes of dull looking skin, uneven skin complexion. So because this Acwell toner contains licorice roots, 10% of licorice roots in it, and it also contains green tea in it, which is a very good antioxidant, it will really assist you when it comes to brightening up your skin and evening your skin complexion. Now, this toner is good for all skin types, okay? It is good for all skin types. And then another good, like, brightening toner that will really help you to brighten your skin is the Good Molecules Niacinamide Brightening Toner. Yes, this Good Molecules Niacinamide Brightening Toner is also as effective, like, it is also effective. It contains 3% of niacinamide in it. It also contains arbutin in it. It contains licorice root extract in it, and it contains vitamin C in it. Now, the combination of these ingredients I mentioned to you that is found in this Good Molecules toner will work together, like, it is going to work together to help you to brighten up your skin and reduce the appearance of dark spots, like fade the appearance of dark spots on your skin. And yes, the Good Molecules Niacinamide toner is good for all skin types. Now, the next step in our skincare routine, this is where the treatment of your dark spots and brightening up your skin is becoming more serious. And this step is where I am bringing in products, like more active products that will go deep, like that will target that dark spot on your skin and help you to fight against that dark spot on your skin. And this step is the treatment slash serum step, in the sense that the serums I'm going to be recommending to you are treatment serums, okay? Serums that will actually help you to fight against dark spots and discoloration on your skin. Now, one of the effective serums I'm going to be recommending in this video, and this serum is beginning to get popular on TikTok. Like, everybody is praising, hyping this serum, and the serum I am talking about is no other than the Anua Niacinamide 10% plus 4% tranexamic acid serum. This product here, the way people are praising this serum, it is just too much. And when I went through the ingredients list of this serum, I realized that this serum actually contains good ingredients, like active ingredients that will really assist you when it comes to brightening up your skin. So it contains 10% of niacinamide in it, and the TXA that is written on the body of this serum is called tranexamic acid. And tranexamic acid is another good ingredient that will help you to brighten up your skin. Now, this serum can be used by all skin types, and it can be used by all skin complexion. Now, the second serum on my list, and that is the one that I make use of, you know, from time to time, and that serum I am talking of is the Ordinary Alpha Arbutin serum. Now, the Ordinary Alpha Arbutin serum is another effective dark spots treatment serum that you can make use of, that, sincerely speaking, when you start making use of the Ordinary Alpha Arbutin serum, you will notice that your dark spots, your skin discoloration will start fading. Like, you will definitely notice it. So if you don't want to make use of the annual serum, you can actually try out the Ordinary Alpha Arbutin serum. So this one contains like alpha arbutin as the main key ingredients in it, and this serum is good for all skin types and all skin complexion. Now, let's not forget about vitamin C serums, because vitamin C serums are also good when it comes to brightening up the skin. Now, one vitamin C serum I'm going to be recommending to you, that it is nice, okay, but it is actually effective. And the reason why I am bringing in this serum is for those people that might not be able to afford the expensive serums, okay? So this vitamin C serum I am talking of is the Roushun Skin Naturals Vitamin C Face Serum. This is an effective yet very nice vitamin C serum that you can make use of, that will help you to brighten up your skin and glow your skin. Now, if you don't want to use this vitamin C serum, you can make use of the Jumiso brightening like vitamin C serum. It is another good vitamin C serum that you can make use of. Now once you're done applying your face serums, the next step is applying your face moisturizer. So the first moisturizer on my list is the Nivea Soft Moisturizing Cream, okay, or the Nivea Soft Cream. It is a very nice gentle face moisturizer that you can make use of. Now the Nivea Soft Moisturizing Cream is the one that I'm even making use of. So this is what the product looks like. This is the Nivea Soft Cream, and this is the one that I'm actually making use of. It is a very gentle and yet very moisturizing face cream that you can make use of. Now this Nivea Soft Cream is good for sensitive skin, yes, because it is very gentle on the skin. It contains jojoba oil in it, and it also contains vitamin E in it, yes. And it is actually like I said earlier, it is actually very moisturizing. So when it comes to skin type, I would recommend people that have normal to dry skin to make use of this one, because this has a thick, it actually has a thick consistency on the skin. Let me apply it on my hand. It actually has a thicker consistency on my skin. You can see how this part of my hands is already beginning to look moisturized. I really love this Nivea Soft Cream. So if you have normal to dry skin, you can make use of this Nivea Soft Cream. And also if you have a sensitive skin, you can make use of this Nivea Soft Cream. Now apart from the Nivea Soft Cream, another moisturizer, and this is for people that let's say they have like oily skin, their skin is more on the oily side, and that is the Isntree Hyaluronic Acid Aqua Gel Cream. Yes, this product here, just like the Nivea Soft that I said, is good for normal to dry skin. If you have like oily skin, you have combination skin, you can make use of the Aqua own, because this one is lighter on the skin. It's not as thick as the Nivea Soft Cream. So this Aqua moisturizer is very good for people that has like oily skin or people that has like combination skin. You can definitely try out this one. This is also a gentle face moisturizer, and it is also a nice hydrating face moisturizer. It contains hyaluronic acid, which will help you to hydrate your skin. Now the final step for this video in this skincare routine is going to be applying your sunscreen. Sunscreen is a product that you use in the morning, okay? So this is a morning skincare routine, and definitely I have to recommend a sunscreen for you, and that is the final step in your skincare routine. Now the first sunscreen on my list is the Suncut UV Protect Gel. Now this sunscreen is a lightweight sunscreen, and it is also a hydrating sunscreen that you can make use of. It does not leave a white cast on the skin. It has an SPF of 50 in it, and it is very perfect for people that has oily skin, combination skin, and even if you have acne prone skin, you can make use of this Suncut sunscreen. It is actually very nice on the skin. Now another sunscreen, the second sunscreen on my list, is the Isntree Hyaluronic Acid Watery Sun Gel. So this one also contains an SPF of 50 in it, okay, and it doesn't leave a white cast on the skin also, and it is also hydrating. This Isntree sunscreen can be used by all skin types, yes. So my loves, that is all for your treatment or your brightening skincare routine. Now I have been mentioning since that I have actually filmed a separate video where I shared 4 important skincare routine. Now if you're wondering what are these 4 important skincare routine, like I said, brightening skincare routine is part of them. So I'm going to leave the link of that video over here, so you can follow this link to check out that video. So loves, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.